Daddy'd open it for you?
Yeah, cookie. Help? It's a cookie.
It's from Aunt Corn.
It's inside the plastic. Watch.
It's a cookie from Aunt Corn. Hey, look at Mommy and say thank you, Aunt Corn. Look at Mama and say it.
Look at the.
Say thank you, Corn.
Thank you, Jew? I don't think Courtney's a Jew.
Thank you,
Can I
Corn.
have a bite first? Sounds like a sugar cookie. Can I have a bite first, Daddy? Of course.
It's
Say
a
thank
cookie.
you, Corn. Take a bite. Nice soft sugar cookie. Chew it. Yeah.
Is that good? That's from Corn.
Mmm, sugary. Yeah, just so we need to keep you up for another 3 hours.
Is that good?
Want to wash down some juice? So
I'll
put
take-
some sugary juice.
No, that's low sugar. Is that good cookie?
Gift card.
Is that a good cookie?
I was going to say, I thought it says Chick-fil-A.
Say yummy. Can you say yummy?
Mommy.
Yummy. That was a big bite.
Yeah.
Is that a good cookie from Aunt Corn?
Okay. Yeah.
Cookie.
I think your judge is going to have to rescue you away from the cookie jar when you come to Judge's house. Because you must have ordered that whole thing in, what, 2 bites? You got 2 more bites left.
Hi. Can you tell Aunt Corn about your cookie? Can you tell Cookie's yummy?
Mommy.
Yummy.
Yummy, not mummy.
Say thank you.
Does it have yellow frosting on it? Oh no. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Oh, there's a bigger uh-oh. It's okay. Yeah, it tastes better when it's massaging your butt. Go ahead, pull it up. I know what you're getting. Need help?
Just leave it.
Yeah, it's the crumbs now. Well, maybe not quite enough crumbs. Hey, so finish the big piece. Or get the crumbs later.
Cookies.
Cookie. That took no time getting down.
Oh my gosh. I think she's going to eat this cookie in 4 bites.
1, 2, 3.
How many bites? 4.
Dada.
Bye, Dada.
Dada.
Pussy Pop Owl can get his down to 3.
Dada.
Is it yummy? Mm?